In this video, I'm going to transform this picture into this picture using Photoshop. This picture was submitted by Agu on Twitter, and he said this is the only picture in his possession of his mom and I should help enhance this picture. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to import this picture into Photoshop, and I'm going to remove the background, which is maxing it out, and then I'm going to go on Google and I'm going to search for a chair that suits the perspective of this picture. You see the way they are seated, I'm going to look for a chair that can fit into this perspective, so that way it will look natural and work fine. So I'm just going to go to Google and then search the whole net and then look for the picture of a chair that suits the perspective and also a background that can suit this picture, because I want it to look modern and I want the colors to pop. So let's dive right into it. So I think this chair will work, so I have to remove the background, maxing it out again, and then I'm going to convert it to smart object because that's what I like doing, and I'm going to move it to this picture and then move it to the back, take it to the back, just align it so it will stay at the back as if she's sitting on it. And that is the first look, and it looks awesome. Damn, I love how it fits. The next thing I did was to clean unnecessary marks around the object so I don't have this rough work. It will just be clean and neat. Next, I'm going to try out the background, just see what works. Let me see. And also I'm going to adjust. His trouser is looking kind of bad. I'm just going to replace trouser with one I saw online. I think this guy's position suits the whole the way he's sitting. So I'm just going to place that trouser there, try to mimic how he's sitting. And okay, I didn't use puppet wrap because I didn't see the need here, so I just have to just erase and let's just make a new trouser. That's what I thought. Import background, and I'm going to start cleaning again, try to make everything blend. This is the most interesting part of this whole thing. I just have to make sure everything blends. I was just trying different things, trying to use gradients to try to blend everything, but it didn't work, so I had to go back and then use curve adjustment to just add shadows, trying to make it realistic. That's what I did basically here. I worked so hard on this part, erase unnecessary mask and try to blend the background. I tried changing the chair, but I discovered it won't work, so I scrapped the idea and made it black. And now I'm just adding realistic shadows. The goal of the purpose of this editing is to make it look real and not to actually make it look like a cartoon. I was trying to give you the photorealistic feeling, like, yo, they took this picture here, they were not upset, yeah, you know, that kind of thing. That way it makes the person feel the moment, it makes the person feel like they were once in this picture, you know, in this place. More curve adjustment to saturation, just blend it to make it feel real, look real. If you notice, I'm working with the background, I added some shadows, so I added some blur so I can blend it, and then use the camera raw to try to add some colors. It didn't work, I scrapped that out, and then I used the clone tool, healing tool, to erase some part of her clothes so it won't look rough, to look smooth and straight, and I have to edit that. After everything, I opened up this image in Camera Raw and tried to blend everything together in the Camera Raw section, which I did, and it gave me a wonderful result. So here is the before and here is the after of this picture. Please, if you're new to this channel, please smash the subscribe button. I have an amazing content I'm putting out next week.